guys, how's it going? Ken Salvail here today. Welcome to growercoach.com. Just having a quick look in the Geodesic dome today. Seems like we've got a few things done. Doing a little bit of propagation. We got our Echinacea macro-aureola grass right here. It's beautiful stuff. Nice shady garden grass. It's one of the best for gardens, and sure, bright and colorful for shady areas. We've got our Astrofricardii right there, one of the most prolific flowering plants that you can get for the garden. We've got an Echinacea right here, I can see. Hybrid Echinacea is another one here. Just see what color these ones are. Looks like a nice pink one. That's a Cheyenne Spirit, looks like. That's a good one. Nice variety. And we've got some Russian sage. We've got all kinds of stuff going on. Lots of annuals started, some verbena and some strobilanthes. You know, I love this strobilanthes. I think it's one of the coolest plants in the annual category. One of the best. Really good one. A little bit of this and that. Some geraniums, even some sunflowers. There's our little seedling Japanese maple that I found last year. I rescued it from a property, so yeah, pretty cool. Always look for those little tidbits we find from time to time. Bring them home, plant them up. So there's your Glaucoma Plant, which of course they used to call Nepeta. I don't know if you can even read that. I'll see how close I can get in there. It says perennial on it, but it's really an annual. But anyway, I guess it does tend to survive the winter sometimes. Some more Astrofricardii, some nice little 1 gallons coming on here. Again, some assorted annuals, getting ready to roll. It's getting close. Well, you know, we're still at the end of April now, so it's not quite annual season yet. But we're getting ready. Here we got a few that have tipped over. They look like they need a little drink of water. So I'll be giving them a quick drink. A couple tomato plants. Here's this other Echinacea. This one's called Sunflare. It's got the red tips on it, so it's chartreuse or yellow leaves with the red tips. Another great shade or part shade plant. And all kinds of stuff, man. We have got so much stuff on the go here. That's pretty exciting. These are some of our Amish Tomatoes. It's one of my favorites. It's called Amish Paste. But it is a big tomato. These ones are huge and they're really meaty. They're good for slicing as well. So they're good for just about everything. So wow, we got a lot going on here. And we're working on it. We can see, what's under the bench here? Black Mondo grass. One of my favorites. One of the few plants that loves to grow in dry shade. So we love to propagate that one. It's hard to get plants that grow in dry shade, you know, so that's a really good one. All right, well, that's it for today. Just wanted to bring you up to date with some stuff going on down here at the Geodesic Growing Dome. Thanks very much for tuning in. I hope you guys are having a great spring. The weather certainly turned and it is beautiful out there. So happy planting, everyone. See you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.